Does Panasonic TV have AirPlay? Some Panasonic Smart TVs support Apple AirPlay, allowing users to stream content from iPhones, iPads, and MacBooks directly to the TV. However, not all Panasonic models include AirPlay, so checking the TV specifications is necessary. Newer OLED and high-end 4K models are more likely to have AirPlay built in. 1. AirPlay is available on select Panasonic TVs. Panasonic has included AirPlay 2 support in some of its newer smart TVs, especially those running Google TV, Android, or My Home Screen OS. If your TV has AirPlay, you can mirror your Apple device's screen or stream videos, music, and photos wirelessly. 2. How to check if your Panasonic TV supports AirPlay. To confirm whether your Panasonic TV has AirPlay, press the Home button on your remote and go to Settings. Look for Apple AirPlay and HomeKit in the menu. If the option is available, your TV supports AirPlay. If not, your model may not include this feature. 3. How to use AirPlay on Panasonic TVs. If your Panasonic TV supports AirPlay, follow these steps. Ensure your TV and Apple device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open Control Center on your iPhone or iPad. Tap Screen Mirroring and select your Panasonic TV. Your device's screen will appear on the TV, allowing you to stream content. 4th, alternative methods for screen mirroring. If your Panasonic TV does not have AirPlay, you can use third-party apps like AirScreen on Android-based Panasonic TVs, or an Apple TV streaming device to enable AirPlay functionality. 5. AirPlay support varies by region and model. AirPlay support on Panasonic TVs is more common in newer high-end models, especially 4K OLED TVs. Some regions may have limited AirPlay availability, so checking Panasonic's official website or user manual is recommended. Many newer Panasonic Smart TVs support AirPlay, allowing seamless streaming from Apple devices. If your model lacks AirPlay, alternative solutions like third-party apps or an Apple TV device can enable screen mirroring.